Students, welcome to this one. Now in this session we are going to discuss about certain number of persons. Certain number of persons in a row and again in a circle. At the same time floors, boxes and so on, different types of questions were there. Now in general, these days, and this is the topic wherein some of the students, most of the students in fact are facing some problem in the examination in particular. చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్కి ప్రాబ్లమేటిక్ అయిపోయింది ఇది. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి చేయడానికి ఈజీ అని సెంటర్ అవుతాం. ఒక్కసారి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మనకి పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువైపోయి ఎక్కువ టైం కన్జ్యూమింగ్ ఇదే. కనుక కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే డెఫినెట్గా వస్తున్న మోడల్ అండ్ మనం స్కోర్ చేయగలిగే మోడల్ కూడా. డన్ నౌ సార్, లెట్ us start with this one. Yes, 2 minutes time is allotted to this one. Certain number of people are sitting in a straight line. Facing north is given. Let's start working out this. All the persons are facing towards north. Yes, your time is up. Now let us start working on this one. M sits 8th from left and other lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. M sits 8th from left and other line, clearly given. Only 4 people between M and O. As 4 people between M and O can be either to the left hand side of M or to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. O can be here. This is one of the possibility. And second possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. M is 8th from the left and 4 people between M and O, and so is at this place. 4 people between M and O. And N sits second to the left of O. Who is this N? N sits second to the left of O. N is seated second to the left of O in the first case, and in the second case N sits second to the left of O. And P sits fourth to the right of N. 1, 2, 3, 4. P sits fourth to the right. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. P sits fourth to the right of N. And next one, as many people between M and P, between Q and P and Q. M కి P కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉన్నారో P కి Q కి కూడా అంతే మంది ఉండాలి. అవునా కదా? అంటే P must be exactly between M and Q. నా M కి P కి మధ్యలో 2 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి P కి Q కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 2 మెంబర్స్. P ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి Q ఇటు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Q will be here. As many people between M and P, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 persons between M and P. And next one, and P and Q మధ్యలో కూడా 6 persons, and 6 persons between M and P and Q 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Q will be here. As many people between P and M and P equals to P and Q. And next one, R sits out to the right of Q. 1, 2, 3, R. Here P and R must be in the same place, not possible. This case is completely ruled out. Now R sits out to the right of Q. 1, 2, 3, R. R sits out to the right of Q. And what is the next information we have? Number of people sitting between M and N. M ki N ki మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 2 persons. Is same as that of the persons sitting to the right of R. R కి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అంతేమంది అంటే 2 members. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Okay. Now this is simple row arrangement, certain number of persons. Hope everyone got the same answer. Then let's move on to set number 2. Now in this set number 2, and this is again based on facing towards north. Okay, start working on this one. Your time starts now, 2 minutes. Yes, your time is up. Now in this one, second one, a certain number of people are sitting in a straight line facing towards north is clearly given, and only 5 people between Z and Y. కనుక మనకి 2 possibilities. Z ఏమో Y కి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉండొచ్చు అండ్ Y ఏమో Z కి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనం చూసారనుకోండి, Q సిట్స్ అట్ అన్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్ ఇచ్చారు. కనుక Q లెఫ్ట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ అని ఉండొచ్చు, రైట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్. ఇది డెఫినెట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అండ్ Q సిట్స్ 4 టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ V అన్నాం. Q సిట్స్ 4 టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ V అంటే V ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా ఉంటే Q సిట్స్ 4 టు ద రైట్. ఇలా Q సిట్స్ 4 టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఉంటే దెన్ Q కెనాట్ బెట్ ద లెఫ్ట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్. అవునా కదా? ఎందుకు? Q కన్నా లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ 4th ప్లేస్లో V ఉన్నాడు. కనుక Q కెనాట్ బెట్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఎండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. కనుక Q మస్ట్ బి రైట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఎండ్. Q ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. Q ఇక్కడ ఉంటే Qకి Vకి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 1 2 3 V is here. Then now Q sits at an extreme end of the line, that is right hand side. Q sits 4th to the right of V. V sits 5th to the right of W. V is 5th to the right of W అంటే W కి V కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? 4 members. V sits 5th to the right of W and Z and X between V 5th and X sits third to the right of Y. V sits 5th to the right of W and up to here we have done with the information. As many people between Z and V equals to the between Q and P. Z కి V కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉన్నారో Q కి P కి మధ్యలో అంతేమంది ఉన్నారు. And O sits 5th to the left of P. What about this O? O sits 5th to the left of P. 1 2 3 4. O is 5th to the left of P. O sits 7th from one of the extreme ends. O is 7th from extreme ends. Next one, only 5 people between Z and Y. X sits third to the right of Y. 5 people between Z and Y. Z ki Y ki మధ్యలో 5 people. And Y ki Z ki మధ్యలో 5 people. 1 2 3 4 5 Z and Y. X sits third to the right of Y. 1 2 X. X sits third to the right of Y. Done. And as many people between Z and X equals to Z and W. Z ki X ki మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉన్నారో అండ్ Z కి W కి మధ్యలో అంతేమంది ఉన్నారు. నా ఇక్కడ Z కి X కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Isn't it? 8 members. Z కి X కి మధ్యలో 8 members. Z and W మధ్యలో 8 members. అండ్ Z and W మధ్యలో 8 members రావాలి అనుకుంటే నౌ Z W ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి అండ్ ఇటుపక్క మనం తీసుకుంటే ఈ పాసిబిలిటీ మనకి నడవదు. isn't it? Z కి W కి మధ్యలో and Z కి X కి మధ్యలో 8 members ఉన్నారు, isn't it? Now W కి 8% ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి this case is completely ruled out. Then coming to this one, this is the case left over. Y కి second, third place X and third place Z. Then next one, Z and V equals to Q and P. Now ఈ కేసు పోయింది కాబట్టి ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది ఈ కేసు. Now ఈ కేసు ప్రకారం మనకి Z and V equals to Q and P. Number of persons between Z and V. Only 5 people sit between Z and Y. X sits third to the right of Y. As many people between Z and X2 and the same number of persons between Z and W. Z and W మనకి ఎంత మంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 2 members. Z కి W కి మధ్యలో మనకి 2 members ఉండాలి. 2 members ఉండాలంటే 1 2 Z is here. And Z ఇక్కడ వస్తే Z కి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ 2 places X. X కి మళ్ళీ 2 places Y. Now this is Y. Done with this? And next one. X sits third to the right of Y. And as many people between Z and X2 and Z and W there are 2. And next one, V sits fourth. As many people between Z and V. Z ki V ki మధ్యలో 3 4 5 6 7 members ఉన్నారు. And Q and P ki మధ్యలో 7 members ఉన్నారు. Q కి P కి 7 అంటే 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 members ఉండాలంటే P ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. And P ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి. P is O sits 7th from. O sits 5th to the left of P అన్నాం. 1 2 3 4 5. Then O sits 5th to the left of P, O and Z. Now O is, and O sits 7th from one of the extreme end. One of the extreme end అంటే right hand అవ్వచ్చు, left hand. ఇలా right hand తీసుకున్న 3 4 5 6 7. O cannot be the 7th from the right hand. కనుక O must be 7th from the left hand. కనుక ఇక్కడ P వస్తున్నాడు, W and P. And next one, and O is 7th from the left hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hence O is 7th from the left hand. Done with this? Now this is the final arrangement we have. Z and V equals to P and Q. Z ki V ki మధ్యలో P and Q. O and P, we have taken this information. This is the final arrangement we have. Done. Set number 2. Write down this arrangement. Blank Y, 2 blanks X. Next one there is a blank O and Z. Again 2 more persons W and P. Next P to V, 3 persons. And V to Q, again 3 persons. Now this is about set number 2. Then coming to this one, set number 3. Now in this one again, set number 3, it is based on a row arrangement. And just take 2 minutes and start working on this one. Yes. Now in this one, if you observe here, 3 persons between S and T, Q sits third to the right of T, isn't it? And next one, number of persons between S and V equals to the number of persons, only 3 persons now. So this is the crucial information, that is definite information. Now only 3 persons are sitting to the left hand side of R. R left hand side entamandi cheppandi 3. That means R is fourth from the left hand. 1 2 3. Only 3 persons to the left hand side of R. And next one, Q sits third to the left, second to the left of V. 6 persons between R and P. R కి P కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 6 persons. Now left hand side ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 persons between R and P. And only 3 persons sit to the left of R. Q sits second to the left of V. Only 6 persons between R and P. There are 2 persons sit between V and U. Now V కి U కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? There are exactly 2 persons. And U sits second from the extreme end. U sits second from the extreme end అంటే left extreme అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? V is third to the left. కనుక U cannot be second. Hence U must be second from the right end. U is second from the right end. Done with this one? U ని ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేసాం. If U is second from the right end, then there are only 2 persons between U and V. V కి U కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? There are only 2 persons between U and V. And there are only 2 persons, only 6 persons sit between R and P అయిపోయింది. And Q sits second to the left of V. Q is seated second to the left of V. Then Q sits second to the left of V. Then 3 persons sitting between S and T. S కి T కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 1, 2, 3 persons. Or T కి S కి మధ్యలో 3 persons. 3 persons between S and T. And Q sits third to the right of T. And Q is third to the right of T, 1, 2, 3. And Q is third to the right of T, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Now 3 persons sitting between S and T, and Q sits third to the right of T. Number of persons sitting between S and V equals to the number of between S and R. And S and T మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 3 members. S and T కి 3 members ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి R and S and T equals to S and R. S కి R కి మధ్యలో 3 members ఉండాలి. S కి R కి మధ్యలో 3 members ఉండాలంటే S must be right hand side of this one. అవునా కదా? And number of persons sitting between, only 3 persons sit to the left of R. Number of persons sitting between S and V equals to S and R. S and V equals to S and R. And 3 persons sitting between S and T. Now 3 in between S and T. Q sits third to the right of T. Q sits third to the right of T. Hence we have 2 different possibilities. Now ST or TQS. Now if you have started S at this place. Okay. Now S. Number of persons between S and V equals to the number of persons between S and R. S కి V కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారో S and V, number of persons between S and V equals to S and. That means this S must be exactly between V and R. S is exactly between V and R ante S must be somewhere here, isn't it? S is exactly between this one. S is exactly between V and R. And next one, 3 persons sitting between S and T. S and T, and Q sits third to the right of T. Number of persons between S and V equals to the number of persons between S and R. Only 3 persons sit to the left of R. Q sits second to the left of V. Now Q is second. Only 6 persons between R and P. R and P there are 6. There are only 2 persons between V and U. V and U. U sits second from the extreme end of the line. Now this is the information left out. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది ఏం చెప్పండి? Now this one and this one ఈ రెండు మనం కలపాలి. Now S కి T కి మధ్యలో and T కి Q కి మధ్యలో. Now S కి V కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉంటున్నారు చెప్పండి? S and V equals to S and R. Okay? S and R. Now from R is at this place. If R is here, R and S. R and S, how many persons were there? Now P ekkada vachadu. And P and Q were these 2 persons. P and Q, 3 persons sitting between S and T. And Q sits third to the right of T. And number of persons sitting between S and V equals to number of persons between S and R. S and V equals to S and R. Isn't it? Next one. Only 3 persons sit to the left of R. Q sits second to the left of V. Only 6 persons between R and P. There are only 2 persons between U and V. U and V. And U sits second from the extreme end of the line. U is at the extreme end of the line. Now we need to fix this S somewhere here. Now Q ekkada undi kabatti Q nunchi manam chusukunte then 1, 2, T will be here. Avuna kadandi? T వస్తే T కి S కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 1, 2, 3 and S will be here. Now క్యూకి ఎస్కి మధ్యలో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎస్ అండ్ వి 1 2 3 4 5 6 మెంబర్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎస్ అండ్ క్యూ ఉండాలి అవునా కదా ఎస్కి క్యూకి మధ్యలో 6 మెంబర్స్ దెన్ ఎస్కి వికి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి ఎస్కి వికి ఎస్కి ఆర్కి హెన్స్ ఎస్ మస్ట్ బి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బిట్వీన్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ఉన్నారు isn't it 9 persons then can we have these two మధ్యలో పెట్టొచ్చా now R is at this place R is here now P and S must be P key yes now P and S if you take at this place S number of persons between R and S 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 persons 8 persons between R and S equals to S and V and S కి V కి మధ్యలో 8 members ఉండాలి 1 2 ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 6 members then hence SV equals to S and R then what is the final arrangement we have R at this place SR equals to S and V now this is the final arrangement we have then make a note of this one set number 3 persons between S and T now 3 persons between S and T కాబట్టి S ఇక్కడ వచ్చాడు కాబట్టి S కి T కి మధ్యలో 3 కనుక S కి T కి మధ్యలో 3 S కి Q కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు 3 4 5 6 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కనుక ఈ 6 మెంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ రావాలి కనుక S నుంచి చూసుకుంటే 1 2 3 T blank blank Q blank V now ఇక్కడ మనకి అరేంజ్మెంట్ S ఇక్కడ వస్తే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి చెప్పండి P will be here P ఇక్కడ వస్తే this is the continuation done this is about set number 3 then set number 4 now in this set number 4 ఈ సెట్ నెంబర్ 3లో ఇంకోటి మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే సౌత్ గురించి ఉందంతా సౌత్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా మనకి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మనకి ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలే నా క్యూ షుడ్ సెకండ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ వి ఎస్ క్యూ ఈ సీడెడ్ సెకండ్ అక్కడ నుంచి మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఇంకా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది బికాస్ దే ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ సౌత్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి నా వి నుంచి మనం తీసుకుంటే మనకి క్యూ షుడ్ సెకండ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ వి దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఈజియెస్ట్ వన్ ఇంకా త్వరగా మనకి అయిపోతుంది మనకి దెన్ సెట్ నెంబర్ 4 now in this set number 4 a certain number of persons are sitting in a straight line facing north the distance between the adjacent persons is same information is given about only a few persons then start working on this one 4 persons between H and M number of persons sitting between H and S is 1 lesser than the number of persons between this is a crucial statement 1 less than the number of persons between S and M B is fourth to the right of S. Number of persons between H and B is same as B and D. 2 persons are in between M and W. Number of persons between H and Y is one more than. Akkada 1 less than antunam ikkademo 1 more than. The number of persons between S and M. Y and M are not immediate neighbors. Number of persons between H and S is same as that of right of D. Ikkada 3 different statements vadam. ఒక దగ్గరేమో 1 లెస్ అంటున్నాం ఇంకో దగ్గరేమో 1 మోర్ అంటున్నాం ఇంకో దగ్గరేమో సేమ్ అంటున్నాం క్లియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద డిఫరెంట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ సెట్ నెంబర్ 4 yes let us start with this one now first information చూడండి 4 persons between H and M there are 4 persons between H and M H ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి 1 2 3 4 M will be here now second possibility M is here 1 2 3 4 H will be here and 4 persons between H and M the number of persons between H and S is 1 lesser than number of persons between S and M H కి S కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది అయితే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు S కి M కన్నా ఒకరు తక్కువ now H and S కనుక S must be exactly between హెచ్ అండ్ ఎస్, హెచ్కి ఎస్కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి, ఒకరు. ఎస్కి ఎంకి మధ్యలో ఇద్దరు. ఎస్కి ఎంకి మధ్యలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళ కన్నా హెచ్ అండ్ ఎస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఒకరు తక్కువ. ఇక్కడ 2 మెంబర్స్, ఇక్కడేమో 1 మెంబర్. డన్. హెన్స్ హెచ్ అండ్ ఎస్ 1 person, ఎస్ అండ్. Now H and S. Number of persons between H and S is 1. Number of persons between S and M is 2. 1 lesser than. And B is 4 to the right of S. 1, 2, 3, B is here. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is here. B is 4 to the right of S. And next one, B is 4 to the right of S. Number of persons sitting between H and B equals to B and D. H and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B and D, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now number of persons between H and B. H and B, how many are there? 1. H and B is 1. Now B and D is 1. B and D is 1. Done. And next one, we have done up to here, B and D. And 2 persons are sitting between M and W. M ki W ki majlo exactly 2. 1, 2, W cannot be left hand side. 1, 2, W is here. And 2 persons between M and W. M and W, 1, 2 cannot be here. Hence W is here. 2 persons between M and W. And next one, number of persons sitting between H and Y is 1 more than S and M. H and Y is 1 more than S and M. S and M ఎంతమంది చెప్పండి, 2 members. కనుక H and Y మధ్యలో 3 members ఉండాలి. 1, 2, 3, Y can be here. Or 1, 2, 3, Y can be here. Once again, number of persons between H and Y. H ki Y ki మధ్యలో 3 members is 1 more than S and M. S ki M ki మధ్యలో 2 ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ H and Y 3. అండ్ ఇక్కడ S కి M కి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి, 2 members. కనుక H కి Y కి మధ్యలో 3 members. 1, 2, 3, Y can be here. Or 1, 2, Y must be here. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. D and Y. And Y and M are not immediate neighbors. ఇక్కడ Y and M are immediate neighbors and this is ruled out. ఇక్కడ Y cannot be here because Y and M are not immediate neighbors. Hence Y must be at this place. Finally, this is the case left over. Done. Y is at this place. And next one, Y and M are not immediate neighbors. The number of persons between H and S. H and S is 1. H and S is same as to the right of D. And ఇక్కడ 1 member ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి D కి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ కూడా ఒకటే ఉండాలి. Hence D is second from the right. No one sits to the left of Y. Y is at the first person. Now this is the final arrangement we have. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All together there are some 18 persons in this row. Done with this? Now this is about the fourth set. Now only row arrangement. Next one. Next one, set number 5 is again based on row arrangement and certain number of persons are sitting in a straight line. Straight line. Now the direction facing towards north is given. Okay. Then start working out this one facing towards north. Yes. Now in this one, certain number of persons were there. Condition number 1, n is seated second to the right of t. N is seated second to the right of t. N is seated second to the right of t. Information clearly given. And is south to the left of O. Who is south to the left of O? N is south to the left of O. N is south to the left of O, and one of them is sitting at the extreme ends. Hence N cannot be at the extreme end, hence O must be at the extreme end. Hence O cannot be at the left extreme, hence O must be at the right extreme. O is here. If O is here, blank, blank, there is N, and there is blank, there is T. Now this is the final arrangement. Then N is sitting second to the right of T, and is south to the left of O, and one of them is an extreme end. 7 members are between T and I. Between T and I, 7 members. Now right hand side is not possible because there are only 5 persons to the right hand side of T. And 7 persons between T and I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 members between T and I. And 7 members are in between T and I. As many sitting to the left of N, same to the right of I. That means how many persons are there to the left of N? Now N is fourth from the right hand side. Hence I is fourth from the left hand side. Done. As many persons to the left hand side of N equals to the right hand side of I. Then next one. Right of I. Y is sitting immediate left of B. Y is to the immediate left of B. Now this is the final arrangement. Now we need to adjust these persons. Arrange these persons here. Y is to the immediate left of B, and both of them are sitting to the left of I. Now both these two persons are sitting to the left of. Hence Y and B can be like this, or Y and B can be like this. Two different possibilities. And as many persons between I and S, same between S and T. I and S equals to S and T, and this S must be exactly between I and T. Hence I must be here. I and S, S and T. I and S3, S and T3. As many between I and S, S and T. W is sitting left of Q, and only 2 persons are sitting between them. W is sitting to the left of Q, and only 2 persons are sitting between them, W and Q. Then next one. Q is an immediate neighbor of S. As Q is an immediate neighbor of S, if you take Q at this place, then W and I must be in the same place, not possible. Hence Q is here. As Q is here, 1, 2, W will be here. W will be at this place. Done with this? W is here. And next one, as many persons sitting between I and S equals to the number of persons same as S and T. And W is sitting to the left of Q, and only 2 persons are sitting between them. Q is an immediate neighbor of S. Q and S are immediate neighbors. L is an immediate neighbor of N, but not to T. L is an immediate neighbor of N, but not to T, means N must be at this place. L is at this place. Okay. Now any information regarding this one, Y and B, whether they were at the first or the second, or second and the third. W is sitting to the immediate left of Q. W is sitting left of Q, and only 2 persons are sitting between them, W and B. Done. Now let's go through the information once again to finalize this Y and B. N is sitting second to the right of T, and is south to the left of O, and one of them is extreme N. 7 members between T and I, and at the same time as many persons to the left of N equals to the number of persons to the right of I. Y is sitting immediate left of B, Y and B, and both of them are sitting to the left to I, but not immediate. But not immediate means now this Y and B cannot be immediate, hence Y is at the first place, B is at the second place. Done. This is the final arrangement we have regarding this set number 5. Clear now? Then coming to the next one, set number 6. Now till now we have discussed about the first 5 sets are based on only the row arrangement, certain number of persons in a row. Now we have started with the circular arrangement. Now in the circular arrangement also there is every chance of giving some of the questions based on this certain number. Let's start working out this one. Certain number of persons is sitting around the circular table. The information is given about only a few, and all of them are facing towards the center. Distance between any 2 adjacent persons is same. Now we need to start with this one. Let's start working out this. Is done. Now in this certain number of persons seated around a circular table. Now let us take this as a circular table. Then the first information is related to F and C are immediate neighbors. F and C are immediate neighbors. No. If F is here, F and C are immediate neighbors, then C can be either to the left hand side of F or to the right hand side. And so many possibilities we have? Two different possibilities. If F is here, then C is to the immediate right hand side. C is to the immediate left of F, C is to the immediate right. And R sits thought to the right of C. In this case, 1, 2, 3, R is thought to the right. Now R is thought to the right of C, 1, 2, 3, R is thought to the right of C. R sits thought to the right of C. And next one, two persons are in between A and C. Now two persons between A and C, here in this one, 1, 2, A cannot be to the right hand side, and two persons between A and C. Now here also A cannot be to the right hand side, 1, 2, now two persons between A and C. And next one, P sits thought to the right of F. P is thought to the right of F, 1, 2, 3, P is here. P sits thought to the right of F, 1, 2, 3, P is here. And next one, not more than 6 persons are in between P and U. In between P and U, we must have, lesser than or equals to 5. Not more than 6. That means lesser than or equals to 6. Either 6 members in between P and U or 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And U, when counted from the right of P, from the right hand side of P, then number of persons in between P and U cannot be more than 6. And at least 15 persons are, U is an immediate left of A. U is an immediate left of A, U is at this place. Now U is an immediate left of A, U is here. Now in this case, number of persons. Now count the total number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members which are. 9 members which are కాబట్టి total number చూడండి at least 15 persons were there. At least 15 persons ఇక్కడ చూడండి. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members వచ్చారు. అవునా కదా? And 8 members వచ్చారు. And at the same time Pకి Uకి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? మినిమం 6 కన్నా దాటకూడదు. ఇక్కడ మనం 6 తీసుకుంటే మనకి 14 members వస్తున్నారు. It cannot be your answer. Hence this is the case. Done with this one? Hence in between P and U. Pకి Uకి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? Now in between P and U we must have exactly 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 persons between P and. Now the total number of persons at least 15. కనుక 15 ఉండొచ్చు, 15 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు. నా ఎక్కువ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? Pకి Uకి మధ్యలో maximum 6 ఉండాలి. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Done? Now set number 6. Then in this set number 7, set number 7 is based on, again it is based on a circular arrangement. Start working on this one. Information given about only few, all of them are facing the center. Is done. Now in this one again, this is based on certain number of persons around a circular table. Now this is a circular table. Then condition number 1, B sits out to the left of M. Now I am fixing M at this place. B sits out to the left. 1, 2, 3, B is here. B sits out to the left of M. Only one person between B and O. One person between B and O can be here or O can be here. O ikkada unte and O and M are not immediate neighbors. Hence O cannot be at this place. Second possibility ikkada ruled out అయిపోయింది. And next one, 3 persons sit between O and D. O ki D ki మధ్యలో 3 persons. O and D there must be exactly 3. 1, 2, 3. D is here. లేదా 1, 2, 3 D can be here. కనుక second possibility ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. Then now M is at this place. Now 1, 2, B is here. Now after this B, O is here. Now 3 persons between O and D. 1, 2, 3. D is here. Okay. D can be either left hand side or to the right hand side of this O. And 2 persons sit between A and D. A ki D ki మధ్యలో 3 persons. Hence A can be here or 1, 2. A can be here. 2 possibilities. Now A and D there must be exactly 2 people. Hence A can be here or 1, 2. A can be here. 2 different possibilities. A and O are not immediate neighbors. As A and O are not immediate neighbors, A cannot be here. Hence A must be here. A and O are not immediate neighbors. A cannot be here. A must be here. Done. Hence we have finalized the positions of this A and O as well. And next one, A and O are not immediate neighbors. P sits to the immediate left of A. Now P is to the immediate left of A. Now this is P who is to the immediate left of A. Now P who is to the immediate left of A. And next one, and T is an immediate neighbor of P and M. T is an immediate neighbor of P and M means in between P and M we must have 1. Is it possible? Not possible. Because P and M are adjacent to each other. Hence this case is ruled out. Now T is an immediate neighbor of both P and M. And S sits second to the left of T. S is seated second to the left. And only 2 people between U and S. Now 1, 2, U cannot be here. Hence 1, 2, U is here. Now this is the final arrangement in which these persons are seated around this circular table. Now this is about set number 7, circular arrangement. Then next one, set number 8, boxes. Now boxes, certain number of boxes is a difficult part altogether. చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ జనరల్గా రాదు అండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా మనం చేయడం ఇంకా కష్టం అవుతుంది. నా ఇది అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ పారామీటర్. ఒకటి బాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చాం, ఇంకోటేమో దేర్ సమ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ వర్ గివెన్. అందుకు మనకి ఏంటంటే దిస్ ఈస్ అ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ పార్ట్. జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ దిస్ వన్. A certain number of boxes are arranged one above the other in a stack. A few boxes are the different fruits. Information given about only a few boxes. Only 3 boxes are there between banana and apple. Now in between banana and apple and there must be exactly 3. Now if apple is here, then 1, 2, 3 banana is here. Or if banana is here, then 1, 2, 3 apple will be here. There are exactly 3 in between banana and apple. There are only 3 boxes are between banana and the apple box. The papaya box is immediately below to banana. Now this papaya which is immediately below to this banana. Now this papaya which is immediately below to this banana. And next one, number of boxes between papaya and apple is one more than papaya, one more than below to papaya. Number of boxes between papaya and apple. ఇక్కడ papaya కి apple మధ్యలో 1, 2, 3, 4 ఉన్నాయి. 4 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి papaya కన్నా కిందని 1 lesser than 4, that is 3. కనుక papaya కన్నా కిందని 3 ఉండాలి. నా ఏం చేస్తాను, బనానాకి యాపిల్కి మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 3 ఉన్నాయి. కనుక papaya కన్నా కిందని 2 ఉండాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 3 ఉన్నాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. This case is completely ruled out. Then and next one, apple is one more. No box is above to grape box. Hence grape must be at the top. No box is above to grape. Grape must be at the top. And only one box between grape and kiwi. Hence grape and kiwi there must be exactly 1. Kiwi is third from the top. Kiwi is third from the top. Number of boxes between kiwi and apple is 1 lesser than the boxes below to papaya. Below to papaya 3 ఉన్నాయి. కనుక కివీకి యాపిల్కి 1 lesser than 3 means 2. కనుక కివీ and apple how many must be there? There must be exactly 2. Kiwi is here, blank, there is a grape. Then hence grape, next one blank, then kiwi, and next one there are 2 more blanks here, then apple, then 3 more, banana and papaya, and 2, 3 were there. Hence altogether this is the final arrangement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes were there altogether. Then in one less than the number of boxes below to papaya, more than 3 boxes between kiwi and banana. Banana ki kiwi ki more than 3. More than 3, yes. In between kiwi and banana, there are 6, that is more than 3. And 2 boxes between papaya and orange. Papaya and orange 2. Hence 1 to orange can be here, or 1 to orange can be here. And orange box which is below to papaya, orange is below to papaya, hence this must be orange. The bottom box is orange. Now this is the final arrangement of these boxes, and these boxes consist of these fruits. Clear now? 8th one. Set number 8. Altogether 14 boxes are stacked one above the other. Next one, 15th one. Now in this question number 15, a certain number of boxes were there, are arranged one above the other, and only 2 boxes are above to box O. O కన్నా పైన ఎన్ని ఉండాలి చెప్పండి, only 2 were there, and so is here 1, 2. Only 2 were there above this O. Only 2 boxes are there, and 3 boxes between O and S. O ki S ki మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఉండాలి చెప్పండి, 1, 2, 3, S is here. Between O and S there must be exactly 3, and 3 boxes between O and S. And next one, box B and S are immediate neighbors, immediate boxes, and S and B are immediate neighbors కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా చెప్పండి. Now S ఇక్కడ ఉంటే B ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, or S can be below. Hence 2 possibilities. 1, 2, this is O. Now this is 1, 2, 3, this is S. If S is here, this will be B. S and B are adjacent. And box B and S are immediate boxes. Number of boxes between O and H is 2 more than the box below to S. O ki H ki number of. Now H inka manaku teliyadu kabatti we can use this information afterwards. Number of boxes between O and H. O ki H ki ఏవైతే మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయో is 2 more than number of boxes below S. Okay, S plus 2 is the answer. And number of boxes between A and S. A and S is same as between O and E. And box H is immediate above to W. H is immediate to W అన్నాడు. H is immediate to W. X is just below to O. X is just below to O. And C is above to box H. Now C is above to what? C is above to box H. Now this is what the information given. Now according to this information, now we need to finalize this. Now 2 boxes are there above this O, 3 in between O and S, 1, 2, 3, 3 in between O and S. Next one, B is adjacent to this one. And number of boxes between O and H. O ki H is 2 more than the number of boxes below to S. S కన్నా కింద ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయో, and O and this one will be 2 more. Number of boxes between A and S is same as O and E. A and S is same as O and E. And H is immediate to W. H is immediate to W. O and C equals to this one. Now if O and C equals to this one, O and C. Now if you keep O and C at this place, but because C is above this both H and W. H is immediate to W. Both these two must be together like this. X is just below to O. X is just below to O. X is just below to O. Now ఇక్కడ X వచ్చింది, ఇంకా మనకు కావాల్సింది అని చెప్పండి O and H. Now O and H, A and S is same as O and E. A S equals to A and S is same as O and E. A and S is same as O and E. Now where can we fix this A and S? A and S is same as O and E, and C is above. H is immediate to above to W. H is immediate to W. That means H and W must be together. Hence where can we fix this H and W here? H and W cannot be here. H and W unte H పైన ఇంకా C ఉండాలి, not possible. H and W cannot be here. H and W cannot be here. అవునా కదా? Hence H and W must be somewhere below this one. H and W. Now H and W ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకుంటే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో తెలియదు, కానీ ఈ రెండు మనకి అడ్జసెంట్ ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు A and S equals to O and E అన్నాం, isn't it? Now O and E and A and S. S ఇక్కడ ఉంది, S ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి O and S, A and S. O and E. Where can we fix this E here? 2 boxes are above to O, 3 boxes between O and S. B and S are immediate neighbors. And next one, immediate boxes. Boxes between O and H is more than the number of boxes below to S. Below to S, O and H కి and in this one. O and H మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? O కి H కి మధ్యలో 1, 2, 3, 4. మినిమం 4 తీసుకుంటే ఓకే. S కి H కి మధ్యలో ఏది లేదు అనుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ S ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు O కి H కి మధ్యలో 4 బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. O కి H కి మధ్యలో 4 బాక్సెస్ ఉంటే అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ బట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాక్సెస్ ఈజ్ 2 more than the number of boxes below to S. అప్పుడు S కన్నా కింద ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? 2 ఉండాలి. S కన్నా కిందన 2 ఉండాలి. నో S కన్నా కింద 2 ఉండాలంటే ఈ రెండు పక్క పక్కన ఉండాలి. నో ఇక్కడ కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. S అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? H అండ్ W. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కండిషన్ చూద్దాం. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాక్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ O అండ్ H. O కి H కి మధ్యలో 1, 2, 3, 4 ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఈజ్ 2 more than the number of boxes below to S. S కన్నా కింద 2 ఉన్నాయి. సరిపోయింది కదండి? SHW. దెన్ A ఈజ్ అబౌవ్ టు O. A ఈజ్ అబౌవ్ టు అంటే ఈ రెండు ప్లేసులు ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. A ఈజ్ అబౌవ్ టు O. A ఈజ్ అబౌవ్ టు O బట్ నాట్ ఇమీడియట్. కనుక A మస్ట్ బి హియర్. A ఈజ్ అబౌవ్ టు O బట్ నాట్ ఇమీడియట్. దెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాక్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ A అండ్ S. A కి S కి మధ్యలో 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Number of boxes between A and S is 5. And A and S is same as O and E. O కి E కి మధ్యలో 5 ఉండాలి. O కి E కి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Isn't it? Because S and H must be together. కనుక H and W cannot be here. Clear now? Then ఇక్కడ చూడండి. A and S is same as O and E. A and S. A and S ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O and E 5. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? 4, 5. O and E there must be 5. Hence E must be here. If E is here, then H and W must be at this place. Then ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్స్ అన్ని చూడండి ఒక్కసారి. 2 boxes are above to O. 3 boxes between O and S. 1, 2, 3 are the boxes between O and S. A is above to O. A is above O but not immediate. Number of boxes between A and S. A and S can only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is same as O and E. O ki E ki majlo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. And next one, H is immediate above to W and X is just below to O. X is just below to O. C is above H. Now where is C? Now the C is above H. Now C is above H. Now H and W pine C undal. Hence where can we have this C? Now C can be at any one of these places. Okay, C is above to H. C is above to H. And we can fix this. C can be at this place, can be here, or can be at this place. Done with this? Now this is the final arrangement we have. Set number 9. Then finally set number 10. Now in this 10th one, now it is floor arrangement. Floors based on certain number of floors were there. A certain number of persons are living on different floors of the building. The ground floor is number 1 and so on. And next one, this floor arrangement and boxes are almost one and the same because linear arrangement. And next one, 3 floors are in between T and E. T ki E ki majlo enni unnai cheppandi? 3. Now T is here, 1, 2, 3, E is here. Or if E is here, 1, 2, 3, T will be here. 3 floors between T and E. V lives exactly between T and E. V is exactly between T and E. Hence this is V, which is exactly between T and E. Now this is V, which is exactly between T and E. V is exactly between T and E. E who lives 6 floors above A. E is 6 floors above A. Hence 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E is 6 floor above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 floor above A. Now 6th floor. E is 6th floor above A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E is 6th floor above E. E is 6 floors above A. As many floors between A and T is same as E and G. A and T. A ki T ki మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఫ్లోర్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో E ki G ki మధ్యలో అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. G who lives below E. G lives below E అన్నాం. నో ఏ ఏంటి? ఏకి టీకి మధ్యలో, ఈకి జీకి మధ్యలో. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోర్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ టీ. ఇక్కడ 9 ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ టీ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ అండ్ జీ మధ్యలో 9 ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏ అండ్ టీ మధ్యలో 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ అండ్ జీ మధ్యలో మనకి ఎన్ని ఉండాలి? ఒకటే ఉండాలి. ఒకటి ఉండాలంటే జీ ఇక్కడ రావాలి. వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి జీ విల్ బి హియర్. ఇఫ్ జీ ఇస్ హియర్, జీ హూ లీవ్స్ బిలో ఈ అన్నాడు. జీ లీవ్స్ బిలో ఈ అంటే జీ అబోవ్ ఏ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దిస్ కేస్ ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. క్లియర్? హెన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ఏకి టీకి మధ్యలో 9 ఉన్నారు, ఈకి జీకి మధ్యలో 9 ఉండాలి. ఈకి జీకి మధ్యలో 9 ఉండాలి కాబట్టి ఈ ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now G is here. Done with this? G is at this place. A and T equals to E and G. And G and S lives on immediate floors. G and S lives on immediate floors ante S can be here or S can be here. There are two different possibilities. And G and S lives on immediate floors. Only 5 floors are above E. E కన్నా పైన ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి? Only 5. As of now 4 were there. One more floor above this T. One more floor above this T. And only 5 floors above E. Z lives on the ground floor. As Z lives on the ground floor, Z is at the bottom. And Z lives on the ground floor. Only 2 floors are there between Z and S. Z ki S ki మధ్యలో 2 floors. ఇక్కడ S ఉంటే ఇక్కడ Z, this is the ground floor. S1 Z1. ఇక్కడ S ఉంది అనుకోండి 1 and how many floors between? Only 2 floors between Z and S. S ఇక్కడ ఉంటే 2 floors between Z and S. Now once again, now S can be in these two places. ఇక్కడ S తీసుకుంటే S1. Now 2 floors in between. 2 floors are there between Z and S. 1 2. Hence this must be Z. Z1. ఇక్కడ S ఉంటే 1 2 and this will be Z2. S2 and Z2 because Z is at the bottom. As many floors between G and Z, same as between A and W. G ki Z ki మధ్యలో ఎన్ని అయితే ఉన్నాయో A ki Z. Number of floors between G and Z is same as A and W. A and W, A ఇక్కడ ఉంది. And more than one floor is between E and W. W who lives above A. W lives above A and more than one floor between E and W. E ki W మధ్యలో. Isn't it? Same as A and W, G and Z equals to A and W. Now what is the position of this W here? More than one floor is in between E and W. E ki W ki మధ్యలో more than one floor. More than one floor between E and W and at the same time. E and W more than one floor అంటే 2 floors ఉండొచ్చు. 2 floors ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. E and W and next one. A and W మనకి ఎంత అవుతున్నారు చెప్పండి? 2. A and W 2 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ G and Z మధ్యలో 2 ఉండాలి. Clear now? G and Z there must be exactly 2. Hence A and W మధ్యలో ఒకటైతే more than one floor between E and W. E కి W కి మధ్యలో more than one floor. More than one floor అంటే మనకి ఎక్కడ చెప్పండి? 2 floors తీసుకుంటే W is at this place. E and W. And next one A and W మధ్యలో 2 ఉంది. G కి Z కి మధ్యలో 2 ఉండాలి. G కి Z కి మధ్యలో 2 ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. అయితే ఒకటి ఉండాలి లేకపోతే 3 ఉండాలి. Clear? Hence అయితే ఒకటి లేకపోతే 3. Hence it cannot be the case. Then hence Z cannot be at this place. As Z cannot be here, then what is the position of this Z here? No. దీంతో మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోయింది చెప్పండి? Now S is at this place, S is here, and there is a blank in between these two. Z is at this place. Okay, S and Z were fixed. If S and Z were fixed here, now ఇప్పుడు A and W, E కి W కి మధ్యలో, E కి W కి మధ్యలో ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? ఇంతకు ముందు 2 అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి now W is at this place. Now in between A and W, ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి? 1. Okay. Now only 2 floors are there in between Z and S. Z ki S ki మధ్యలో 2 floors and at the same time as many in between G and Z. G ki Z ki మధ్యలో 1 is same as A and W. A ki W ki మధ్యలో 1. Okay, G and Z 1, A and W it is 1. Now W who lives above A. Now this is the final arrangement we have, and all together how many floors we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. All together there are some 18 floors and this is the order. Okay, in general. Now these three in particular, ఎక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పండి? 7th నుంచి. అండ్ 8, 9 and 10, 8, 9 and 10 ఆర్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, కుదిరితే ఇప్పుడు చేయండి, లేకపోతే 8th చేయండి, 9 and 10 మాత్రం ఇప్పుడైతే అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ వుడ్ బి ద మెయిన్స్ మోడల్. మెయిన్స్లో వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది 9 and 10. ఇన్ కేస్ మనకి ప్రిలిమ్స్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా కొద్ది టైం టేకింగ్ కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ, మొత్తం పేపర్ అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంకా టైం ఉంది అప్పుడు చేయండి, లేకపోతే అంతవరకు అయితే ఇవి చేయొద్దు. క్లియర్? హోప్ ఎవరీవన్ ఫాలోడ్ దిస్ వన్. Now first, as of now we have covered row arrangement లో we have done around 11 sets, and in circular we have done some 14 sets, and in this one certain number of persons we have done 10 sets, and all to the 35 sets in the first 3 slots. Okay, next one floor arrangement and ages, అది కూడా మనం యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి around some 50 sets we are planning all together. Hope everyone followed this one. Thank you for your participation, and in the next session let's meet again with another video. Okay, another topic. Next topic లో మళ్ళీ ఏం చూస్తాం చెప్పండి? ఫ్లోర్స్ అరేంజ్మెంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ఫ్లోర్స్ నెక్స్ట్ సిలాజిజమ్స్ అండ్ కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్, కోడెడ్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ అన్ని కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ వన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.